Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google account without phone number verification. So step 1, use incognito mode. First, open your browser and go into incognito mode or private mode. This helps prevent Google from detecting your other accounts and reduces the chances of being asked for a phone number. Step 2, go to the sign up page. Now go to accounts.google.com, sign up. Fill out your first name, last name, email, and password as usual. Step 3. Skip the phone number. When you reach the phone number field, it may appear optional. If it's not required, just leave it blank and hit next. If it's required, keep watching for the workaround. Step 4. Use Android or Gmail app workaround. If it forces verification, try this. Go to your Android settings, account, add account, then Google, or use the Gmail app to create a new account. These methods often skip the phone step entirely. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.